Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning fun and straightforward. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to switch OneNote to dark mode in 2025. If you've been squinting at your screen during late-night study sessions, dark mode is your new best friend. It reduces eye strain and even saves battery life on your devices. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have the latest version of OneNote installed on your computer or mobile device. This feature might vary slightly depending on the platform, but I'll cover the main steps for Windows and give a quick nod to mobile. Start by opening OneNote. Once it's up and running, click on the File tab in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Options to open the Settings panel. This is where the magic happens. In the Options window, navigate to the General tab on the left side. Scroll down until you see the Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office section. There, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Office Theme. Click on it and select Dark from the options available. After making your selection, click OK at the bottom of the window. OneNote will apply the changes immediately, and your interface should switch to a sleek dark mode. If you're using OneNote on a mobile app, like on Android or iOS, go to the App's Settings menu, usually found by tapping your profile icon or the three-dot menu, and look for Appearance or Theme options. Select dark mode there, and you're all set. One quick tip: if dark mode doesn't stick, try restarting the app or checking for updates. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in your productivity and comfort. There you have it. Changing to dark mode in OneNote is easier than you think. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. What's your favorite OneNote feature? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video.